I went to sleep like at 2. I was really tired. I thought I would wake up like around 10. Didn't wake up till almost 1 o'clock. Ate food. It's like after 1:30 now. I don't have much time left to do stuff. I don't know that I'm going to finish anything I meant to finish today. I did, however, saw this portion off. I'm going to saw the next portion off. Um, yeah. I think it's a pretty even cut. There's still a little bit at the end that I could clean up. But, yeah. I'm going to saw this off next. And then I'm going to go get some other stuff from my sister's lot that I think goes along with the sighting. So... Look at what I did with a handsaw. I'm a tradesperson. No, that's rude to tradespeople. Anyway, not to me.